In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the length of a race in F1 2022. As you can see, here I am in the game. This is how it looks like. And let's say you want to change a length for a Grand Prix. You can just go to solo in this case and then start Grand Prix. And you can only change the length of the race. For example, half a race or a quarter race, 25% race, before you start it. So unfortunately, if you just started a career mode for your My Team or a driver career mode, there's no way to change the track length. If you choose, for example, 50% and you want to go back to 25% or something else, that won't work. If you do want to start a new Grand Prix, you can just start for example, the Australian Grand Prix, and then choose the driver. So let's do Max Verstappen in this case. And then you can go to weekend structure right here. We can hit enter. As you can see, they have sprint weekends as well. And here we can change the layout. So we can do standard, authentic, sprint race, or sprint and race. So let's do standard. Then a practice full, qualifying full, and then the session length, we can do full, long, medium, or short. As you can see here on the right, short 30 minutes, 5 laps race, 25% race is medium, 50% race is long, and 100% race is full. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.